Here's how to fix iPhone cannot send messages to Android problem. So the first solution is go to settings, scroll down and tap on messages. Scroll down. Here you'll find send as SMS option. So all you have to do is just enable this option. If it's already turned on, then turn off and turn it on again. And then check the problem if fixed or not. And the second solution is reset all settings. Go to general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, reset all settings. Once done, restart your iPhone and hope this will fix your problem. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.